Why does a day have exactly 24 hours? Not because it had to be that way, but because at some point it was necessary to measure it. And if you want to measure time, first you need to find something that changes evenly, something you can track. Without instruments, without mechanics, the only thing left is the sky. The sun gives you orientation, when the day begins, when it ends. But if you want to know how much time has passed, especially at night, the sun doesn't help. That's where the moon comes in. The moon is the only object in the sky that moves slowly enough for that movement to be visible. And most importantly, relative to the background stars, the moon moves roughly one of its diameters every hour. That means that if you choose a star as a reference, by observing the moon, you can count the hours, without any tools. This movement occurs because the moon orbits the Earth in about 27 days, making a full 360-degree circle in that time. When you divide that circle into daily movements, you get approximately 13 degrees per day. That's about 0.5 degrees per hour, and the moon is about half a degree wide. That's why we say, the moon crosses its own diameter relative to the stars, every hour. If you know this, you can divide the day, not by convention, but by observation. And the most practical division, the one the moon repeats every night, is 24 movements. 12 movements while watching the sun, 12 movements while watching the moon. In areas where day and night are approximately equal, this division also makes additional sense. That's why a day has 24 hours. Not because someone planned it in advance, but because it was the most accurate possible measurement, with nothing but the eye and the sky. That's functional logic. And that's why it has endured.